Hello makers! Today we're exploring the savory world of noodles. From wheat flour to the delectable strands in your favorite dishes, join us as we explore the interesting and difficult process of creating noodles in a factory. Let's get started. Step 1. Sourcing and inspecting ingredients. The process of manufacturing noodles starts with finding high-quality ingredients. The main ingredients are wheat flour, water, and salt. These ingredients are supplied to the manufacturer and thoroughly inspected to guarantee they fulfill high-quality standards. The wheat flour is examined for protein level and consistency, and the water for purity and mineral content. Only the finest flour and purest water are used to make noodles. Step 2. Mixing the dough. Once the ingredients have passed inspection, they are transferred to enormous mixing machines. A dough is formed by combining wheat flour, water, and salt in specific amounts and properly mixing them together. The mixing step is crucial because it guarantees that the dough has the appropriate consistency and elasticity for noodle production. The mixing time and speed are carefully controlled to establish the gluten structure in the dough, which is critical to the final texture of the noodles. Step 3. Kneading the dough. After mixing, the dough is moved to kneading machines. Kneading is essential for forming the gluten network that gives noodles their distinctive chewiness. The dough is kneaded for a set amount of time to ensure that it is smooth and fully developed. Some companies employ a two-stage kneading technique to achieve the best dough texture, with the dough resting between phases to let the gluten to relax and strengthen. Step 4. Rolling and sheeting. Once the dough has been properly kneaded, it is rolled out into thin sheets on enormous rolling machines. The dough sheets are run through rollers several times, progressively lowering their thickness to the required amount. This stage is crucial for ensuring that the noodles are uniform in thickness and texture. Advanced roller machines use sensors that monitor the thickness and automatically adjust the rollers to ensure consistency. Step 5. Cutting the noodles. The dough is flattened into thin sheets and then cut into noodles. Sheets of dough are sent through cutting machines, which slice them into thin strands. The width and shape of the noodles can be tailored to the desired type, such as spaghetti, fettuccine, or ramen. For customized noodles, additional procedures like as curling or waving may be required. The newly cut noodles are then sorted and prepped to dry. Step 6. Steaming optional. Freshly cut noodles, such as quick noodles, are steamed before drying. Steaming gelatinizes the starches in the noodles, improving their texture and cooking qualities. The noodles are carried through a steaming tunnel with a controlled temperature and humidity, ensuring that they are steamed evenly but not overcooked. Step 7. Drying the noodles. The cut noodles are subsequently moved into drying chambers. The drying procedure is critical for preserving the noodles and giving them an extended shelf life. The noodles are dried at a specified temperature and humidity level, preventing them from becoming excessively brittle or retaining excessive moisture. This process may take several hours, depending on the type and thickness of the noodles. Modern drying chambers achieve uniform drying results by controlling airflow, temperature, and humidity. Step 8. Cooling and stabilizing. After drying, the noodles are chilled to preserve their texture and prevent over-drying. The cooling process is meticulously managed to ensure that the noodles maintain the proper moisture level and are ready for packaging. The cooled noodles are further checked for any flaws, such as broken strands or uneven drying. Step 9. Quality control. Quality control is an important aspect of the noodle production process. Each batch's samples are evaluated to verify they fulfill the texture, flavor, and consistency requirements. This includes inspecting the noodles for consistency in size, shape, and color, as well as doing sensory evaluations to ensure the correct bite and texture. Advanced quality control procedures may include X-ray inspection for foreign particles and computerized vision systems to detect visual flaws. Any batches that do not fulfill quality requirements are reprocessed or discarded. Step 10. Packaging the noodles. Once the noodles have passed quality inspection, they are ready for packaging. The dried noodles are moved to packaging machinery and put into bags, boxes, or single servings. The packing technique is intended to be clean and efficient, keeping the noodles fresh and uncontaminated. Product information is labeled on sealed packets, including noodle kind, expiration date, and nutritional content. The packet of instant noodles may include additional seasonings or sauces. The packed noodles are then kept in a controlled environment to ensure their freshness and quality until they are ready for distribution. Efficient logistics ensures that the noodles arrive at shops swiftly and safely. This includes working with transportation services and monitoring storage conditions to avoid damage or deterioration during travel. Thank you for joining us on this wonderful trip. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to We All Makers for more of production and craftsmanship.